Anna Hazare has slammed the government of playing a double game on the activists up against corruption. He said the government is setting double standards by laying out a red carpet for Baba Ramdev and snubbing the Lokpal panel. Anna Hazare said the government is not willing to end corruption, snubbing any reports of differences between Baba and Lokpal panel. Anna said that the need of the hour is to fight corruption together. Anna Hazare also said that he will join the agitation with Baba Ramdev on the 5th of June. Now, Baba Ramdev has also said that there is no rift between him and Anna Hazare. Ramdev, however, remains adamant to go ahead with his fast on the 4th of June.
एक में मंत्री जाने की जरूरत नहीं, एक या दो मंत्री जाने से भी काम चल रहा था। तो जब ये 4-5 मंत्री गए हैं, इसका स्पष्ट ऐसे हमें लगता है, मतलब ये है कि बाबा को भी ये लोग धोखा देंगे हमारे जैसे। अभी बाबा को आश्वासन देंगे, सब करेंगे और आखिर उनको भी धोखा देंगे। तो इसलिए ये सब गए थे उधर। लेकिन हम बैठकर अभी 5 तारीख को बाबा बैठकर विस्तार से बात करेंगे और हमारा एम एक ही होना चाहिए कि अभी पीछे नहीं लौटना।
सरकार को ना हम कटघरे में खड़ा करना चाहते, ना किसी तरह का कोई विद्रोह या बगावत करना चाहते, किसी की आलोचना हमारा लक्ष्य नहीं। भाई, मैंने पहले भी कहा था और अभी भी मैं दोहरा रहा हूं उस बात को, मैंने पीएम को बाहर और भीतर रखने वाली बात नहीं की। मैंने बात की कि एक न्याय व्यवस्था का सर्वोच्च व्यक्ति, एक लोकतंत्र के सर्वोच्च पद पर आसीन व्यक्ति, उन दोनों को लोकपाल के दायरे में रखना चाहिए या नहीं, इसके ऊपर पूरे देश में डिबेट होनी चाहिए। देखिए, अभी भी यहां आने से पहले मेरी अन्ना साहब से बात हुई। हम पहले भी साथ में थे, आज भी साथ में, और हम और अन्ना ही क्यों, हर देशभक्त नागरिक इस अभियान में हमारे साथ।
Now that is a very interesting situation indeed. Let's get the latest from Ridhima Tomar, our correspondent in Delhi. Ridhima, it is very interesting to note that Anna Hazare is very clearly taking an anti-government line. He's in fact going to the extent of saying that the government has betrayed him and next the government will betray Baba Ramdev as well. However, Baba Ramdev seems to be going ahead, towing the government line.
Well, clearly, Akash, the kind of situations that have been emerging for quite some time. If you remember, since the very first day of the joint committee meeting, which sat over the Jan Lokpal bill, and every time whenever the meeting got ended, the reaction coming in from the government was that they have agreed to an extent on the various contentious issues that have been brought forward by the Hazare panel. But at the last meeting which was conducted, the last Monday, the 5th meeting of the joint committee on Jan Lokpal bill, there seemed to be a lot of disagreements coming out and a lot of things revealed out that
now Ridhima, you've been covering this issue for long. Some people have been saying that isn't it that Baba Ramdev is trying to show to the Lokpal panel that he is equally popular as Anna Hazare, if not more popular. Do you see some words of discontent coming in from the Lokpal panel and that group as well?
Well, as far as discontent from the Hazare panel is concerned, there seems to be no such scenario happening at the moment. But like you said, that Baba Ramdev is trying to prove the kind of support which we have. We cannot deny the fact, and if you see the broadened picture, Baba Ramdev has the support of a lot of people. In fact, about 1 crore people have signed a memorandum to support against the entire massive corruption and the satyagraha which he will be going on from 4th June onwards. So he has a massive support, and let me remind you what we saw at Jantar Mandir in the capital when Anna Hazare went on his drive against corruption.
Right.
The kind of a crowd that poured it. Imagine 10 times the crowd which will be coming out, in support with Baba Ramdev. But as far as proving outright is concerned, that there seems to be that trying to prove that he has more support.
Right, Ridhima.
There does not seem to be that kind.
Right.